I can hear fish swimming, splashing. Okay guys, we're back at the lake. We're back at the farm. We got fish in the grass. Let's see what she comes up with. Doctor fish, huh? Look at that, huh? This is better than we ever got out of the net. They're just in the grass. This is the second time she's been here today getting these. Oh, I see one. Two. Wow, that's crazy, huh?
Not two. Ow! I come go in the ground. Look at snake fish right here.
What is it?
Yeah, small one.
Snakehead. Little snake fish. Cool, huh?
Look at that.
Just hiding in here.
You will not see. You see that? Come on. They're gonna climb up there, you know. Right here. See?
That's nuts.
Now right there. Very fine, ladies. Oh, dear, you're gonna come, you know. I get a lot of first time. You wanna come in here? Right there, you see? What?
Ants on that one. Ooh, you hear that?
Fish.
That was a big fish.
Then we come up here, you know.
Crazy, huh?
I never see before. Before they come a lot here. I close here.
Yeah?
They help me, you know. They tell me how to close here. So they come this way.
Right beside your feet, there's all kinds of fish in the water. Little ones, though. Huh? This is crazy.
Ooh, you're gonna jump me. Maybe come back again.
You can hear fish jumping all over.
Really, they're happy, you know. Them. They have, if have rain, it's gonna be have more. Have big rain.
We don't need any more rain.
It'll be a lot. A lot of rain. Before I try to take here too, you know. They have a lot.
Rice.
Right there.
Look at the rice.
You see? Maybe the jump come from here, I cannot go out.
See a frog. Here, froggy, froggy, froggy. See if we can find him. Right there. See a little green frog? Here's a look at my lake. Whoa, that was a big fish. That was a good one. It is overgrown. Oh man. It's a lot of work to clean this out. And a big fish just jumped there in the middle. Tilapia, I would assume. This is the corner of the lake. We put this blue net around so the fish don't get out. By doing that, now we have fish trying to get in. You can hear them. crazy, huh?
My bag while you don't hear me.
Sorry, I'm busy.
Now a lot of grass, but they're still working, you know. They're dirty grass. Many grass, but they're still quiet.
Must be an instinct thing to head for the lake, you know? Lots of fish playing right here in this little step. I don't know if they dug it out for this reason or what. You can see the water running. They dug it out all through here, dug it down. There's a pipe in there. Over here until I scared them away. There's a whole bunch of fish swimming around there. Snakefish look like. Sounds like a river over there.
Only, nothing.
That's crazy, huh? You can catch them by hand, but you can't get them in the net like everyone else.
Go back.
We're not actually that far from home. Eh? Like hiding behind the trees.
Good water.
These fish are all trying to get upstream. Whoa, you hear that? That's in the rice. This is someone else's farm. They have an interesting hole. Good for sucking everything down. And the net, can't tell if there's anything in it or not. Okay guys, that's it. Beautiful day on the farm. Hot as hell.